agriculture play a major role in the GDP. You see the previous data, and those people who are living in the village, they are totally dependent on agriculture.
First of all, education is important for girls who are not able to go in the city area. Not everyone go to the city area.
You know,
What?
you know Japan country.
No. Yes, I know.
Japan. There is so many villagers. They are never focusing on
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
You know.
urbanization of
You
village.
know.
Listen to me. First listen
You
to
know.
me. Because in village area there is available jari booty.
On the other hand, we have seen organized city, Paris, London. When you see, on a Google map, it is highly structured. There is no industry in London.
Development you want. The AQI level in cities is very high. The people who lives there, they are not able to take breathe in a fresh air. Which type of urbanization you want?
Sikkim is the first state who declare organic farming.
Only you have seen on social media. That is not reality.
It is reality.
It is
No,
not
no,
reality.
it is reality,
If
sir.
reality,
It is
only 2
current
to 3
affairs, sir.
IITians.
Sir.
Only 1 to 3 IITians who came on the village and they are doing like this. But
And
you
they
have
get
only
maximum
on
profit.
social media. But
No,
it is
no
not
social media, sir.
reality.
Let's talk more. Let's be expressive more. Okay? Are you ready, guys? Yes, sir. Okay, so first of all, tell me that what did you understand by plaintiff? What kind of speakers are known as plaintiff speakers? Who talks on facts. Very nice. May I know what kind of people are known as extremist? Extremist.
One side of it could be the extremist person who talks about the one side of religion or any political agenda.
That's beautiful. May I know, please, what kind of people are known as a panelist? Who are panelists?
The participants who are
What are we right now? We are panelists. Okay.
Panelists.
Should I call you everyone or I should call you panelists?
panelists.
Very nice. Okay, if I have to say good morning everyone, it is everyone or panelists?
Panelists. Good morning.
So can you say that? Good morning.
Panelists.
Good morning all the panelists.
Good morning, all the panelists.
And try your best to let your lips dance. Right? Your lips should dance. All right? Okay, say good morning everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
But not everybody here, okay? Good morning all the panelists.
Good morning, all the panelists.
My God, look at his lips, guys. The way he moves. Go again. Good morning all the panelists.
Good morning, all the panelists.
The movement of the lips. Please try to understand. Go again. Yeah, it looks beautiful, right? Come on.
Good morning, all the panelists.
Go again.
Good morning, all the panelists.
Yes. Everybody say like that. Good morning, all the panelists. Look at his lips, guys. The way he says. I mean, the movement of lips, guys. Come on. It develops the articulation. Listen to him.
Good morning, panelists.
Good morning, all the panelists.
Good morning, all the panelists. How are you?
I am fine. Say, I am fine. So today, mukholo. Today, I want to say that.
I want to say that
Your presence presents my presence.
my presence.
Oh my God, present yourself
So present yourself
to present myself.
to present myself.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Open your mouth, guys, come on. Don't. Ladies and gentlemen, all the panelists, present yourself to present myself.
present yourself to present myself.
Because
Because
your presence
your presence
presents my presence.
present my presence.
So today we will talk about
we will talk about
urbanization. All right, everybody, let's be plaintive speakers now and euphemistic speakers now. So these Jhurra and Jhurri people, I mean to say, so-called city supporters, they are saying that whole India should be urbanized. This village should be eradicated. There should not be any single village in this country. I mean, they are promoting urbanization in India. May I know by any Diggaj speaker that why you are supporting and why you are urbanizing and why you are expecting to urbanize? Anybody, please come on. Hey, you have your own keywords, okay? Don't think so much and don't prepare so much. I will be very sad actually. The more you prepare, the more sad I become actually. Preparation is so dangerous. Why to prepare? Hey, Garima, I will make you know, Sadama. Yes. एकदम मुंह खोल खोल के बोल रहा है, please. Talk to them, please. Come on, go ahead.
In my point of view, there are a couple of points that we should consider before the urbanization. So first of all, education and the public infrastructure and transport.
Of course.
These are the things that is deficient or lack in the villages. And for the development purpose, it should be there for a development. And that is why I support urbanization. Urbanization.
Very nice. So he's trying to say that there are so many deficits of so many things.
Yes.
So we should urbanize to avail all the availabilities and facilities.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anybody? Please go ahead.
Good morning, all the panelists. Thank you, sir, for having this opportunity to speak.
I don't want the Mara speaker. I don't want the Mara speaker. Come on.
Mr. Sahil, sir, you have said that development of cities.
You have said that.
You have said that the development of the urbanization. So, which type of development you want? The AQI level in cities is very high. The people who lives there, they are not able to breathe in a fresh air. Which type of urbanization you want?
Actually, I'm talking about public infrastructure, health infrastructure, education infrastructure.
Of course.
Sir,
It will not affect.
It will not affect.
Yes.
Sir, if you are talking about health infrastructure, the people who lives in cities, they have more problems. They have more diseases. The people who lives in the people who lives in villages, they don't have any type of problem. If they have, they will cure.
No, it is completely absurd.
The person is singular. The person who lives, the people who live तब होगा. The people who live in village.
In villages.
तो ही होगा या दे होगा?
They?
हाँ, चलिए. The people who live in village.
The people who live in villages, they don't have any problem. If they have any disease, they can cure in their homes.
Absolutely right. Any answer, please? Yeah, I mean, we don't have any disease, guys. We are healthy. We are fit and fine. We are fit and fine.
To be respective regard, it is totally absurd. You know, it is totally absurd. There is no any evidences that shows that villagers are very healthy.
See,
I
we
have
don't
seen- I-
require any kind of hospital there.
What happened, sir?
Why?
COVID-19.
So why there is Jan Seva Kendra? Why there
Jan
is?
Seva Kendra is for Aadhaar card. Of course. What kind of things you're talking about?
When the COVID-19 happened, at that time, people who live in cities, they went close to
Of course. See, this is very basic point that you're talking about. Everybody, migrated. There's no data.
There is no data that proves that they
That proves.
villagers are not get disease very easily. There is no proven data.
very less people who got affected by the diseases.
Sir, first you should understand what is urbanization. First, what is urbanization? Now, here we are.
Develop the factories in villages.
No, that's the wrong thing. Only factory is not the symbol of urbanization.
How can you get organized?
No, organized nahi, sir. Urbanization. Urbanization. Firstly, today we are here. Before 20 years back,
Before 20 years.
Before 20 years back,
Before 20 years only.
before 20 years, there was a village. Here was a village, but after development, it became city. It became city. It became city. It means firstly a village should develop properly by basic facility like hospital, schools, health, IT company, government officials, and the first government official that make people life easy. That the urbanization and urbanization. Yes, it's easy.
Okay,
If I
okay,
want
okay,
to,
okay,
if
whatever you-
one example I want to give. One example, Sujit, please listen me.
get angry.
No, Sujit,
sir.
please listen me patiently. That if one example I want to give, if I want recently to update my Aadhaar card, if I live in Lucknow, it very easily I can update it. I can update. But if I live in my village, it take time and it is difficult to
You know
update.
that there are so many, sir, CSC center, they are present in the, all the things are online, sir. You can get easily, you can update your Aadhaar card.
That's the
There-
semi-urbanization. That's the symbol of semi-urbanization. Rural means there is no facility.
If
First
you
you
are
understand your
converting,
point.
if you are converting rural area into urbanization you are doing,
yes.
it means you know that what is the condition of the Lucknow? Day by day, the people who they are living in the Lucknow, they are suffocating, they are suffering
Sir,
problem lot
it is
of.
not the problem
and
of Sir.
yeah, the air is so dangerous, polluted, and even they are suffocating to breathe each and every breath.
Sir, you are completed? Are you
Yeah, I
completed?
completed.
Sir, it is not problem of urbanization. It is problem of management. It's the municipal management.
The people who is
municipal
living in the
corporation-
Lucknow,
No, the people.
they are responsible.
Sir, please understand my point. It is not the problem of urbanization. Do urbanization with the proper management, with the agriculture saving, with the environmental saving. It will be beneficial for the India. Because without urbanization, we cannot become a developed
if
country.
you are
Till
doing
2070.
urbanization, these types of the problem will create in the cities.
Sir, problem will be created.
Without urbanization, we cannot develop our country.
We can develop our country, sir. Without 100%, we can develop
How
our
can you
country.
develop? How without IT sector?
Without urbanization, we can. You know that there are so many countries in it.
First sector contribute a lot in the GDP. You know.
You know.
Service sector.
No.
Service sector. And service
GDP,
sector come from
GDP
urbanization,
in
sir.
agriculture play a major role in the GDP.
No, sir, no,
in
sir.
the you
No,
see the
service
previous
sector,
data,
maximum service sector.
and those people who are living in the village, they are totally dependent on agriculture, and there is no any type of the alternative, and they are doing agriculture, and most of the people they who is living in the city, they are totally dependent on the agriculture, whatever the food they are producing and they are eating. Without you are living in the city, and you are totally dependent. How can you eat? Are you growing any type of the fasal, any type of the crop in this city?
Sir, let me come. Sir, you always talk about agriculture, na? In the GDP, the service sector contributed a lot in the GDP percentage. Okay, then manufacturing, then agriculture. We are not saying that we are not saying that by urbanization we are ignoring agriculture. Do agriculture, plus first do agriculture, but with train your farmer. Use modern equipment, do modern agriculture. Why you want to farmers, whatever villages live in villages, they using bell and bullock card. Or now you are saying that is not the symbol of village.
You are not answering the point.
Sir, whatever she said, totally, sir, it is impossible. Without, sir, cutting tree, without the doing any other thing, how can you urbanize?
We can.
It is impossible.
Simple,
You know that
there is
even
plan.
the government will help us to, sir, in the agriculture field. They are supporting, sir.
One live example. Expressway made by the government, na?
Yeah.
Expressway. So when expressway made by was planned by the government, there was a concern that lots of tree will be cut.
Yeah.
Will be cut. Deforestation will be happen.
Yeah.
Then government take a middle step that in between the expressway there is a space, and in that space, in the between of expressway, there will be a tree and the side by side tree. We are protecting environment.
It will take time, sir. It is.
Of course.
It will take time.
Whole tree, yes, sir. What about those people who are living there? They are living on that side, sir. They are suffering problem. They will suffer. Yeah.
They will get maximum prize money of their land.
You know that what happened in Hyderabad? Yes. Yeah, they are, sir.
This is the forest.
They died. They died.
So
This area is not belong. This area is not.
I don't need this type of the. I don't need
was not belongs to village.
development, this type of the urbanization. I live in the, I'm living in the village.
You know, sir. Please listen me. You know, sir. UP to Rajasthan, there was a wall of forest, wall of tree. Sir, government just applied the scheme of trees. Tree belt. You have to know. You also.
Because we want to develop India,
You know.
If you want to develop India, you are.
You know only.
Narrow-minded
You know only deforestation of Hyderabad. Only.
But as of now, I'm really satisfied with Mr. Sujit.
Why, sir?
He's highlighting the beauty of India by the agriculture. We can grow our country and economy of this country, GDP of this country because of our agriculture.
But sir, infrastructure and it is important, sir. Modern India means modernization, organization.
India doesn't mean to build a building, a happy
Building, it doesn't mean
What do you mean by infrastructure? Tell me first of all.
means in village areas most of the young are unemployed, sir.
What is the meaning of infrastructure?
Infrastructure means everyone gets opportunity to work.
So the person can get opportunity working.
Then sir,
They
Fa-
want to develop our country by cutting tree.
one factory gives thousands of huh?
Whatever thousand.
Sir.
Hazardous factories
Sir,
are here, and day by day.
You know, sir, that GDP of America is $43 billion.
Don't need any.
And America release most of the pollution. But what's the
If you
condition
want
of
to
America?
develop our country,
America
we have to.
America is the most advanced city, advanced state, advanced country in the world. Why? Because of modernization, organization, infrastructure.
Sir, you
not
know.
only for
Listen to me,
culture.
sir, listen
Not
to me.
only for culture.
You know,
What?
you know Japan country.
Yes, I know.
Japan, there is so many villagers. They are never focusing on urbanization of
You
village.
know.
Listen to me. First listen
You
to
know.
me. Because in village area there is available jari booty.
Jadi booty, what kind of jadi booty?
We are coming from village.
Herbal.
Listen to me. We are coming from village, right?
Yes.
We don't need any type of medicine.
Yes.
First, because we are healthy. We don't need any type of factory, any type of companies.
Genuinely,
For
sir.
example, you are
Rishabh, sir.
talking about, ma'am, you are talking about infrastructure, highway.
Rishabh, sir. Genuinely said me that in COVID-19 you applied Covaxin or Covishield.
Yes.
Why are you saying that, sir?
Listen to
Why
me.
you said that,
Listen
sir?
to- listen to me, listen to me.
My question is from Rishabh, sir. Sir. What you applied? What you applied?
I didn't apply any type of medicine.
Sir.
Listen to me, Listen to me.
Because of you, he's
Listen to me,
exaggerating,
listen to
sir.
me. I'm healthy.
Because of you, he's
I am healthy.
exaggerating.
You can see right now I'm very healthy.
It was phobia that COVID
No, sir.
And listen to me. If you are living in city area, right? Why your parents, why your grandfather want to live in village area? Why? Why they are?
Firstly,
why they are?
you have to
make a
understand-
building in village
You
area?
have to
Why?
understand, village is not means that village areas.
Village means sukoon.
Village areas.
Village means sukoon. Village means sukoon.
I know. Why are you supporting? You are suppressing my voice, sir. You are suppressing my voice.
Sir, by politely, okay? They said, sir, कि Japan, America, they are developed. Why they are developed? Do you know why they developed? Why they are developed? You know that? Because they take their own responsibility and they are developing by themselves. That is why they develop. And we have to think about our own development. Yeah, स्वयं का विकास करें. That's why the people.
Without development of your environment, how can develop your?
Firstly, you have to become.
Situated in a village, sir.
And first, sir, you are talking about again farmer. You are talking about farmer. If you one second, if a proper road will develop, Then the one villagers who live in farmer live in village develop crop banana and anything, fruit and vegetable. He can easily transport the same thing with a high price. He can sell in the city because
what,
money available.
ma'am, please tell me, what about animals? You, for example,
Sir,
you are building highway expressway.
Yeah.
In forest area, 10 lion is living, and you are deforesting. By deforestation, you are cutting every plants, every trees.
Yeah.
You know where is living lion? Where is living lion? Where were living?
Shanli will talk.
Like sir, you said deforestation by urbanization. Urbanization, sir. Sorry.
Study from village, guys.
Urbanization, sir. Urbanization, like it doesn't mean to cut the tree. It means like to develop. In village areas, they are orthodox people. They don't want to adopt new things.
What?
Of course, sir.
Yes, sir. They are orthodox type.
You are from
And
Because
sir,
now service is urbanized.
like
You are saying
Pure villager, guys, come on.
you are saying orthodox. What about Cape sir from village area? Why are disrespecting?
I know. He is belonging.
Oh.
I know he is belonging village area. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
But for why he didn't open his institute in the village area?
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Because cities matter.
He will reply because
Okay. So no. No, sir. First,
not give. I'm silent here.
having all facility in village, village not good. Having basic facility is good. You can see the condition of Delhi. The PM 2.5 more than 500, and most of the people compelled to go and go other city. And you are talking about COVID-19. Most of the people compelled to come in village. Why?
You are talking about.
Why?
One by one.
Sir,
Why?
like it's our responsibility. It doesn't mean urbanization means to create the pollution. It's our responsibility. Who are living
Why
here.
not? Why not?
We are
If
throwing
you
the-
create
we are throwing the-
infrastructure in village, it will produce pollution.
Of course.
Why not? You will.
Let her talk.
Sir, infrastructure means like if we build any infrastructures, if we want to make any startup we want to start, then we should we have to think about what the bad effect. Bad effect.
Yes, sir. Be
biggest startup.
we promote our
And
sir.
in the dhaniya ki patti-
We promote our agriculture. We promote our agriculture.
If our villagers
Why
listen-
not? Yes.
If our villagers, all villagers start to sell the dhaniya ki patti, then okay.
Then what the problem?
If
Okay.
everybody just start to sell, what's the price?
Villagers
and
provide
how can every
provide
people
the
afford?
food for city people.
Yes.
Villagers provide the food city people. And you are saying farming is not good. Farming is not good.
I'm not saying farming is not good. It like
What?
in this time, in village areas, like a lack of the hospital, and if we build in and schools also, there is.
He already mentioned that farming should be the option and source of earning.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We
in
have
our
option, sir.
village- Sir, why?
We have option. We have basic need.
Sir,
We have option. We have basic need in village area.
If it's a source of earning,
Why
then
not?
why people going outside
Because
for
of-
earning? If it's source of income,
Okay.
if it's source of income, why
Listen to
people?
Tanzil. She is ultra excited to say something.
My opinion.
Of course, your opinion. What do you want to say?
Good morning, all panelists. And today I'm going to talk about that the village should be not urbanization. Why I'm urbanized. Why I'm saying that? Because in village we can see they on the footpath there are so many poor people. They are lying on the road. But in village there is no there. If there is a in village side there is poor people, but they are not lying on the road. And but in and they are saying that ki in village hospital, school, and these all things, it will be converted to urbanization. Why we have need to change a village in urbanization? We can create without urbanization. We can create hospital without an.
After creating it, automatically becomes
No,
if we build their hospitals and all these things, it automatically became the
First of
urban
all,
areas.
I would like to ask one question. What is the meaning of urbanization? Meaning of urbanization,
It
sorry.
means build the infrastructure and there is good facilities. The people can afford their
People
it
is-
means, and we are living here Lucknow na.
Yes.
If whenever we want, we can order food and we can go anywhere by cab.
It happens in village also. Village happens, it happens. You can order and yes, online shopping you can in village and hospital. They can do.
And what about why they are not adopting the new things? Because they have lack of the knowledge and they don't want to adopt the new things.
You know,
And
a person who is living in city, they are going in village for getting peace, especially on the festival.
good morning, panelists. I want to say that you were saying that good facilities is not good. If we will get chance for the farmer, modern facilities, machinery like that, he can get opportunity to develop himself and himself. He can export import by the educating.
Ma'am, whatever you said, that was appreciable. But you know, ma'am said that why capture came from village. Ma'am, I am telling you, why capture came in city because capture know about village. Capture knows about villager people are not healthy. Villager people are. Listen to me. Sorry, city people. Sorry. Slip of tongue. It's happened by slip of tongue, yaar. Because city people are not healthy, because city people has not good knowledge, that's why. Because you know, and tell me, listen to me, sir. Let me complete. Second point is that, listen to me, sir. Listen to me and tell me. Second thing. You know, age ratio of city people and villager people. Tell me answer.
What?
Age ratio. Give me answer.
Life expectancy.
Life expectancy.
Sir, first you said
Life expectancy.
Life expectancy.
Life expectancy.
Oh, bhai,
Life
expectancy. Life expectancy.
Life expectancy. Tell me, ma'am. Tell me. And third thing. In this time, winter season is going on. You know, yesterday, sir, I failed, sir. I failed. So I failed. My chest is not working properly. Really, sir, because of pollution, sir.
I felt chest pain.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I also.
Yesterday, I was feeling. You know,
It's because you're not.
you come. Listen to me, and you come with me in village. Please come with me. There is, yaar, sir, listen to me. It is a harsh reality, ma'am. It is a harsh reality. Listen to me. I am telling you because of pollution. That type of case, that type of condition because of pollution. You come with me in village area. There is no pollution. Here comes just Sugandhit air, sir.
Sir, not counter N1, just for my points.
I want to share my point.
Okay. I want to share my points. So first of all, Do you know about the AQI level of Delhi? New Delhi?
Yeah, 1,000.
Please.
1,000.
Who know? Yeah, 1,000? 647. So above 400, the people are not leaving that place.
Yeah.
That is the AQI level in Delhi. Because of that, the Delhi schools are closed and people are moving around through using their masks. So how our people are talking about development? Is it possible?
Who is responsible for that, sir?
Is it possible if schools are closed and people every house in a village in summer season we can see that only fans. But if you are living in Delhi, every person have a air purifier. And do you think that in our country developed because of this urbanization?
It means
Okay.
you are saying-
And you saw Mumbai and Delhi. Let me complete after you tell. Okay. Okay. Then second thing, and sorry, all officers were talking about the Garima ma'am, and officers are in town also in capital. But the capital, because of the closed, because of this AQI level is very high, people are not wanting to go outside. But in our village, there are also, if you want to apply for Aadhaar card, you can go with Grahak Seva Kendra and all things you can go. And have you ever seen that ever seen that a very intelligent and a town means very urbanization people are coming in a village and started farming. Only farming are doing the villager people. Or you urbanization people came to that and started farming in a village. Is it not possible?
I will give
No.
I will give you.
And
Make it short.
deforestation. If we are supporting this urbanization, it rapidly grow deforestation. And if government supported this kind of things, but they are not able to this kind of plantation. That is why our AQI level is rapidly growth. Why? If you not living in this world, how can you enjoy all this urbanization? First you can live well, then after you enjoy well. But if you are not, your pollution in soil, because of that, because industrialization, and air quality is not good. Also talking about water, because of this industrialization, they are throw out this water into the water.
River.
So, river. So, if all things are like this, how can you live and with the urbanization?
Can I give proper answer? Firstly, you are saying that the AQI, again AQI, air quality index. Urbanization doesn't mean that you relate the urbanization with AQI. America is also developed, Japan is also developed, European countries also developed, but their AQI is good. Why? They do proper management. It is a management factor. Second is the first point. And second, you are saying agriculture. Maximum agriculture done by the farmer. Maximum agriculture done by the farmer. No, sir. Nowadays, maximum youth, maximum IITian take entry in the organic farming, because they know how much important is organic farming. Because if you grow wheat and rice by organic method, you can sell that product on the maximum price in European country, because European want organic material. You know, the maximum IITian, maximum agriculturalist entry in this sector, because they know how much important is agriculture nowadays in the world.
Okay,
And
okay,
second, you are saying the maximum industrialization. Due to industrialization, deforestation is happening. But now the new concept come in India, and now the new concept come in the world, agroforestry. It means you can do agriculture with the forest. The side by side, one land. I want to seed seed wheat. Along that side by side, I can also grow a tree. It is a concept that called agroforestry. It is necessary for the nowadays, because nowadays the world have minimum land and maximum population. So provide maximum food for the large population. You need the new concept. You should produce maximum grains for the population. So along with the development, we cannot ignore development, and we cannot ignore the agriculture also and forest also. So we should correct our mindset. That urbanization doesn't mean pollution. Pollution is the factor that you cannot manage. In the there is an Air Act in 1986, the Environmental Protection Act in 1986. No one implementing, no official going to take care. What is the condition of the AQI measurement?
Okay.
No one. And soil pollution, nowadays soil pollution. Why? No, sir. Let me complete. Why soil pollution is happening? Maximum urea and potash farmer are using. Why? Because they unable to get maximum grain in the field. Why? Who is responsible? Government is responsible. It's the government responsible to take care of the soil and provide a soil card, like a health card. Yes. That the government, that farmer able to know which nutrient is not available in the land.
Let me counter one point, because I have not remember that all points, but you are talking about management, and what is the management? Where is your management? If AIQ level is growing rapidly, where is your management? Tell me, where is your management? Government, what should government do? Where is your management? You told that. Agree that foresight, and you talk about that IIT and do. You have seen on your social media, but there are no any people. They are coming IIT to farming. Farming are doing maximum people in villagers.
Sikkim is the first state who declare organic farming.
Only you have seen on social media. That is not reality.
It is reality.
It is not reality. If reality, only 2 to 3 IITians. Only 1 to 3 IITians who came on the village and they are doing like this. But
and
you
they
have
get
only
maximum
on
profit.
social media. But
No
it is
social
not
media,
reality. If you have seen, there are many farmers are doing only farming.
Sir,
and
if one farmer not take one step and you want to all farmers do that same thing.
Okay, tell me. Okay.
Someone should take first step now.
And also one point that fertilizer, because of farmers are uneducated.
Don't have knowledge. Don't have knowledge.
Don't have knowledge,
but
government can run a campaign that they are more educated.
Can run.
But you told management is good. Where is management? Also that is the problem.
Ask your government. Not urbanization is not responsible for the pollution, sir. The government is not. Sir, I already given the example. I have given example that America is developed, Japan is developed, European countries is developed, but they are not so polluted that India. It means if the deficit in the Indian government, if the government is not able to manage the pollution, why you are blaming the urbanization?
Good morning to all of the panelists. Let me complete first. After that, you can share whatever you want to say. Cutting tree is not mean. It doesn't mean urbanization. Without cutting tree, you can do. You can develop your city, village, by. Means like in primary schools, there is no infrastructure, there is no food facility, there is no water facility. By improving infrastructure in the primary schools, and by improving a facility of foods, by improving the facility of water supply, it can also be a part of urbanization. Or most of the girls who are living in the village, they don't have a gut to say about a personal problems. They feel shame to explain. But in the urbanization, they are the women who are educated. They feel free to express their problem in the front of the doctors. But in the village area, they don't have how to express their problem. So education is important in the village area. The education is very, first of all, education is important for girls who are not able to go in the city area. Not everyone go to the city area. So urbanization is important in the village area to improve infrastructure, to improve roads, to improve better facility. Or without cutting tree, you cannot do farming. So one of the reasons.
Where is the need of cutting tree?
Most of,
Where is the need of cutting tree, man?
She is saying the same thing. Continue.
without cutting tree, you cannot do farming.
Farming.
Yeah.
Alright, ठीक है. Wait, let her complete.
like a गेहूं का और चावल का.
नहीं, ठीक, alright.
Yeah. Or like most of the farmer who are like a poultry farm, they are like a chara for animals, like buffaloes and cow. You have to grow by cutting a tree.
Very nice, ठीक है.
That's the fact. Or in the Delhi area, most of the air pollution due to burning of fossil fuel. In the near the Haryana and Punjab, I think attached with the Delhi. So that's why burning of fossil fuel is the main reason of air pollution.
But because of that, you provided food from there.
It's important.
So pollution that.
Pollution, but lack of.
Electric vehicles, then it decrease the pollution. We have to.
Let her complete the opinion. Yeah.
By the education, we can make the electric bus and electric vehicle. So,
See, first of all, I'm very happy with her the way she explained everything. This is the power of own explanation. You prepared this point? No, you thought on the spot right now.
Yes, sir.
What a beautiful point she spoke about girls' education. See, it's fine that you're debating, but somehow you have to rely on this point that if there is going to be urbanization, because of that, all the girls are going to be aware. They're going to talk freely. They're going to express whatever they feel actually. Nowadays, they are suppressed. They are unable to express what they feel actually. Because of urbanization, they can at least express their thoughts.
yes, sir.
This is the own explanation. I really appreciate you for that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Fantastic. Please sit down. Adisha, share opinion, please. Whatever you think.
Many a times, if I feel uncomfortable in my house, I go to village.
Exactly. And according to me, sir, I lived 2 years in Chandigarh. There is all the things, as well as a good nature, as well as no pollution. There is IT sector for doing job, and all the things. There is no pollution. We should learn by the Chandigarh. There is everything, natural milk, natural everything.
One of the most
yeah.
unsafe cities.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
What happened in Chandigarh University?
Sir, but
Of course.
University is not in Chandigarh.
No, it actually happened.
Yes.
See, no, but this case was occurred only in Chandigarh. So,
but
What
it's
really?
our mentality, sir, na? It's our mentality.
no,
We
I'm
should-
just kidding. But you cannot give example of Chandigarh only.
Sir, by nature, by urbanization.
No, but the case was occurred only in Chandigarh, right? This
Sir,
case.
according to urbanization, it's good, na? There is too much natural everything. And there is also a hospital, good hospital, there is good office, everything. So we should learn by
So
the...
finally, you believe that we need hospitals because people are polluted and they require to go to hospital.
Sir, by
That is why
4
urbanization is good.
Sir,
Actually.
4 digits, na?
Huh?
4 digits.
For diseases.
Huh.
Are do something where we could not require
And
hospital.
but
actually,
sir,
right?
but if I'm talking about Ayurvedic medicines, so we can grow in Ayurvedic medicine.
We can
And
grow in our field. Of course, ले नीम की पत्ती, come on.
That's what I'm talking about, na.
कुछ भी हो जाए नीम की पत्ती, come on, you're okay.
Sir, that's what I'm talking about, na. we should learn by the all the
By village. We should learn from village, not from Chandigarh. Of course. Yes, he's saying we should learn something from Chandigarh. Nothing is there to learn.
Sir,
Just imagine, guys, you are going in crops field. The smell and aroma and fragrance of mustard flowers and gajar, carrot, without washing or eating. And that lehasun ki patti, that smell of lehasun. Oh my God! And here, gutters smell. My goodness. It's harsh reality. And they are eating, burger from Domino's and this kind of. And that has been stored up 5 months. Sometime 1 year. Of course. That is harsh reality. And in village, garam garam paratha. Of course.
She was talking about IITian. Ma'am, many IITian after completed IIT, he was okay. They were going for researching in village area because in village there are available field. Village there is available field. For example, you are IIT student, right? You are doing IIT in agriculture department. So you need how to do research. For researching, where will you go? In a proper way, you can research only in village area, in village.
Why about laboratory? Why laboratory available?
Laboratory, you can just search little.
In the university, if any IITian want to, if any
With due respect, all the panelists, I would just like to highlight a couple of points. Like he was talking about industrialization in Delhi. Delhi is highly unstructured capital in the world. When the Britishers came in India, they just wanted to make money. They never organized capital city. On the other hand, we have seen organized city, Paris, London. When you see, on a Google map, it is highly structured. Right? There is no industry in London. Special economic zone are there. In Nagpur, 80% of ornament and arms and ammunition are being built. 80%, but it is not comes under the index. Tamil Nadu, approx 90% of automobile are there. And they are exporting another country. And in Africa, they are expanding like Mahindra and Mahindra. So we cannot say industrialization will cause type of problem. Living in urban area and saying that urbanization should not be there. We are availing the beauty of this education that sir has given us. Why he didn't open the institute in a village? Because he knew the purchasing power of villagers. Because he understood. Per capita. I'm not saying urbanization means buildings on land. I'm saying that structurized everything like health. If there is a deficiency in health, then build health infrastructure. If there is a deficiency in public infrastructure, build the public, and it will instantly become urbanized. You cannot say that I will do this, it will become organized. It will become on a smooth pattern. You cannot change it gradually, yes.
Good morning to all of panelists. I'm not totally against village. Just when we talk about the village areas, then you are only talking about the atmosphere and pollution. And when we are talk about, why we are not talking about the facility and why we are not talking about the good infrastructure, yes sir, and why we are not talking about hospital. And when we are when foreign country peoples come in our India, they are not they don't go in village. They are village area, and they are only come in our India. They are visiting our India only for cities area. And if Rishabh talk about Jali Booty, yes sir, Jali Booty, sir, how many people I would say, I would tell.
You want this combination?
No sir, listen. They are coming from the village in our city areas. They are good. Treatment. In sir, for a live example here, was these hospital name, sir?
Jalanani Hospital?
No, sir. KGMU, yes, sir. KGMU can take example. Lots of the people, they are coming from the village go for good treatment.
Due to deficiency of the time, I will have to wrap up the session, guys. Thank you very much. But yes, I'm impressed from here. Somebody raised the point of cab and driving on all in the village. That was a really good point. I think that was raised by Shalini. Girls' education is spoken by Miss, who spoke? Riva, actually. Yeah, that was fantastic. And here, Mr. Sahil raised the point of availing and providing all the facilities. And gradually it will become like urban, actually, right? That was fantastic. Somebody raised point from here about deforestation. That was really superb. And AQI, somebody was talking. That was really superb. And oxygen level, somebody was talking about. That was superb. But in the last, I would suggest you all that both areas are good, but urbanization is not good. Let me tell you why. You should develop yourself. Automatically the country will develop theirs. Okay, don't debate with me, actually. If you want to debate, come in office, please. No, don't debate, please. Come on. See, somewhere you will be developing your country, right? Don't expect that government will urbanize my area. मेरे घर पे जो है रास्ता अच्छा नहीं तो government will do that. Government will plaster my house. Government will paint my house. Don't expect that. Develop yourself, develop your village, develop your city, develop your town. Automatically the whole country can be developed and whole country can be urbanized, actually, right? And as he said that urbanization doesn't mean to go and focus on infrastructure. No, naturally we can focus on development of this country, just like Switzerland and many countries, guys, right? So first develop yourself, guys. Thank you so much. Nobody won. Your presence presented my presence. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.